Hello, this is Jeffrey Veff from Insight Design. We're back here at our most recent project, and you can see that the contractors have made quite a lot of progress in getting the foundation forms up. You can see there's a fair amount of bracing for these forms, and that's because there's going to be a lot of concrete that gets poured in between them, so everything needs to be braced sufficiently so that the forms don't contract or expand or even fall over in the worst case. You can also see along the walls that there's an indent along the back wall, and that's going to be for some of the glazing that we're putting in the back of the house. Now at this point you can also see the foundation forms, and there's a bit of water on the site, so there's a pump in the middle of the frame the contractor is using to get rid of some of the water. Now looking at the footing, you can see that there's a dark groove down the center of the footing, and that's called a key. And that will help the foundation wall concrete grip the footing in order to remain bound to it. You can also see that there are some metal spikes sticking through the foundation forms, and that's to help tie the forms together. At this point the contractors only have the outside of the forms up, and once they put the inside of the forms up, those will go right through the inside of the forms. They'll tie them off so that it all acts together as one unit. Now you can see that there are reinforcing bars sticking up from the footings, and those are also going to be inserted into the foundation once the concrete is poured, and that'll help tie everything together. On the ground you can see that it's still muddy, and we're going to be actually hoping that that dries out a little bit and that the contractors can put the drains in once the foundations are poured. Stay tuned for more updates from this site as we continue to monitor the progress. Thanks for tuning in.